Okay. What? There, no. Okay. There we go. What? There, no. And you can hear the sound. Classic. Classic. I'm still figuring it out. But you guys can hear me? Yes. Awesome. And face cam isn't working. Great. I don't know why. Hello there, Indian PG Game Render. How are you doing today? What did I actually want to do? So yeah, I gotta figure out why my webcam isn't working. It's really weird, and for every time I start streaming, basically it just stops working. It works all the time, but when I start to stream, it just disables itself. The scale is at 0, which is weird. Oh, I see it. I see it. Ah! Why does it do that? I don't like it. And then I think we also need to flip it because I like it the other way around more. So we gotta do this. Yes. Cool. Alright, how's everyone doing today? Wait, maybe I can also get the other light. That's always nice. Professional game dev streamer. 100%. There you go. Nice. That's much better. Alright. So yeah, today we're gonna do some fun stuff. Actually, I don't need the headphones anymore as well. I can just get rid of them. It's also nice. Oh, you want to ask what GPU I have? Hold on. Okay, so for some reason on Restream, yeah, I'm not getting the YouTube chat. Okay, that's fair. It somehow it works on the on the other chat on my stream though. Yeah, the cap's always gotta be here for sure. Hey there, 4Games. How's it going? Oh, Damien also here. Devrimon, how are you doing, man? It's nice to see. So, I mean, yeah. Hey bro, just need to ask something. Which CPU, GPU do you have? I should probably get there's a thing where you can check what specs I have. There's like, I could make a website for the gear I have. But basically, if you look at the Helios 300 Predator laptop, then you basically get the specs that I have, I think. It's a lot more expensive now though than when I have in mind, when I bought mine though. It's weird. Wait, let me show you. So I think maybe they just have a newer version now. Yeah, because this one is blue, mine is red. And they have i7 processor, RTX 9. Yeah, no, this one is not the one I have. This one has RTX graphics and so on. Mine doesn't have RTX. So yeah, this one looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this laptop. There were some problems with the webcam, but I sent it in and they fixed it, which is nice. And it didn't even like lose any of my data on it or anything, so they didn't have to factory reset it. They just fixed the thing, which was great. But yeah, this one has RTX now, 270. That's insane. Mine only has a 1060, so this is such a big step up graphics card wise already. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I probably might want to sell my laptop soon anyways, get something else. But yeah, that's not the focus of today. Wait everyone, I'll come back. Devil Game Studio, take your time. Don't worry. We just started. Going to be, I think, a sort of shorter stream today. I think we're only gonna do like 2 hours or something. Because tomorrow is gonna be pretty packed. I gotta do a lot of stuff for uni and our uni game, Levis Umbra, which you should totally check out if you haven't already. Let's start the stream off of that. I kind of want to show you guys a little bit of what we've been doing in Levis Umbra, even though I was saying that, even though the stream is about Ruth's journey ultimately. I just want to start off with that a little bit, because I think it's quite nice. I think the project has been really fun to work on, and there's been a lot of really fun stuff that we've been doing for it. So I think it would be great if you guys get to see some of that behind the scenes. How that's going behind the scenes, like basically what we're doing at university and all of that stuff. Oh, there's a Valorant stream coming up. That's impressive. They're talking about performance requirements. Cool. That could be quite interesting, I guess. Might want to check that out. But yeah, let's have a look here. So this is Levis Umbra. I don't even know if I still have the latest version, because people in our team are working like crazy on this project. It's like basically someone always adding new stuff, because we're releasing next week. So yeah, we've got very little time and have a lot of things left to do. So yeah. What if we can make hair in UE4 low poly? What do you mean? You can make low poly hair in UE4. Like, there's multiple ways of doing hair, and especially also in UE4. So it should be fine. 1860, that's cool, dude. You're planning to buy a GTX 1660. What do you think about that? Is it good for rendering in Gamedev? I have no idea. I'm not very experienced with graphics cards or anything. I just know that there's like there are some good ones, like the 970 was very good a while ago, but that's probably already way outdated now. It's like you basically, some people have a 1080 Ti and that's like the best you can get apparently right now or something like that. But yeah, I don't really have much experience with that. And I haven't really looked into it in a while because I have my laptop. It works pretty much fine for me, so I don't really have to worry about it anymore. But yeah, I definitely want to get a graphics card at some point that has like RTX capabilities, because I feel like that's going to be something that a lot of games are going to support in the future, and would be nice to see how that technology can be used. Okay. I wonder what we should do today on Ruth's journey, because there's a few small things that we have to improve here. We have to take a look. We've been talking a lot to composers for the game so that we can get one, and yeah, we had some really interesting contacts and so on. And yeah, there's a lot happening with the game. I don't know, like, some of you guys are watching. I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see today. Lots of you said you wanted to see Tom's Adventures, but also on Discord more people said like Ruth's Journey. So it was very split, 50-50. But since I really gotta continue making some steady progress with Ruth's Journey right now, I decided to focus on that for today. Cause yeah, like having 2 game projects running at the same time is already quite stressful, but adding a third one on top, like that's, yeah, you shouldn't do that. You basically shouldn't do that. Yeah. So this map is currently being worked on by one of our programmers. But I need to go into the gym level anyways. Also new music on the stream this time. I found some chill streaming music, so I hope you guys like this more than the other stuff that I usually got in the background, which is very repetitive after a while. So this should be more chill. Should be more chill and more fun. Cool. I'm glad to hear that, Indian BG game render. Glad the music is nice, peaceful and chill. What's the most important node in UE4? Ooh. Well, there's one node which we should try to use as little as possible. There's basically lots of like jokes and memes about it, but so there's two types of nodes in Unreal Engine. Basically, I can show this up to you guys real quick here. Like there's your execute nodes. These are the ones over here. They're all connected with like a white line, and then there's these nodes which don't have a white line. These are like your function nodes. I don't pure nodes, I guess is what they call them, because they don't need an execute pin, which is this white line. This is an execute pin. They don't need that, so they basically run logic. Like you can do like for example math and everything. You can do that, and then at the end you feed it into a node that does something with the math and so on. And basically the one node that you shouldn't be using is event tick, or at least of course you should, like you can use it. There's a reason it's there. It's very helpful, but you shouldn't overuse it because it can basically bog the performance of your entire game down. Because everything that goes after this is run every frame of the game. But everything that goes after this only runs when you start the game, for example. And then there's a lot of stuff that you can do to optimize it so you don't have to run stuff every frame. But yeah, that's basically that. Hey bro, I want to see the post-process effects in UE4. Can you please show it? Bloom, depth of field, etc. Of course, yeah, I can show that. Actually, Levis Umbra is a pretty good project to show that on, because I still need to do some more post-processing on that. So I guess, actually, sorry for the misleading stream title, but for those of you just joining or something like that, I'm going to start off doing a little bit of work on my student project, school project, Levis Umbra. And then we're going to, and then afterwards we're going to do some more work on Ruth's journey. So maybe we should do a 50-50 split, how about that? I can work an hour on Levis Umbra, and afterwards I'll work an hour on Ruth's journey. Yeah, alright, cool. You guys seem fine with that. So I can show you basically last week I made this, we had to improve the lighting for the game a lot, because there was no lighting yet, and there's a lot of stuff that we need to do lighting pass wise and so on. So I made this little scene to kind of test our ass. Oh god, okay. Somebody did something with our materials, but that's alright. Yeah. This looked better before, I think, but no, it's fine. Actually it's not a big deal. But yeah, somebody tweaked our mine master material, which is, yeah, whatever. I'll just make a new instance of it. But yeah, I'm using this scene to basically test out the lighting, how we want the lighting in the game to be, sort of just making everything look nice as I can and so on. And there's some cool effects here. We have this volumetric fog, like these god rays we're getting from it. But then there's more stuff that we can do with this. Some more things to adjust here. So that's what we're going to do. But first of all, let me grab all these rocks. Basically throw this material on there. And then I can also grab all these rock patches. Also throw this material on there. Need to check out the level. And yeah, that way we can actually change things now, and it shouldn't affect everyone. It doesn't seem like anything changed. Okay, but why is the tessellation gone then? What's different? So there is tessellation here. It's just not as strong anymore. I wonder what, because in this thing it still seems to be there. Like the height still seems to be the same. Yeah, and since somebody changed that, I don't know what the previous height I said was. Can you tell us the difference between Unreal Engine 4 render engine and the Blender real-time Eevee? Ooh. I actually I don't really know the difference. Like, they're just like, of course they're the different render engines. Huh. What's going on here? I'm very confused. I don't really know. I'm not that experienced on the tech side of that. It's interesting. Like, it's definitely something to look at, I guess. But I don't really know what the difference between Eevee and Unreal Engine is. They're both real-time viewports. They both use like physical-based rendering. But other than that, I'm not really sure. Like, I guess Eevee is, yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to try to guess things here, because I'll probably be wrong. So yeah, if you want to know the difference, I think there's some good like YouTube channels out there probably that know more about this stuff. Oh, okay, and here we can see also an issue with the tessellation. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure, I think our producer said he went in and made some changes to these things, because as you can see, if I go close to something here, we get those really nice jagged edges that come from the texture and the displacement map. Maybe over here is a good place to show it. But then when I go out, like, they kind of morph away, which is fine. It's fine. Like, we gotta consider the performance of this, so yeah, it's probably okay. But then again, if it's at a strength of 9, you barely notice any difference, but you also lose a lot of that detail that you're getting from the texture, so you should probably go for something that's a little stronger, like 30, so that we actually notice the displacement and get some interesting shapes here. I don't know, I remember this looking better, but oh well. That's the cost of optimizing a game. Still messing with the rocks cave? Yeah, I am still messing with that. That's because it's basically the scene that I can work in that nobody else will touch, and I can just do the lighting for the entire game without destroying anyone else's work already, and stuff like that. But we do have, I think this one might already be outdated a little bit. I'll have to see. Let's actually see what people have been doing, because I haven't really checked this out in a while. So this one is not up to date, as you can see. Yeah. The thing is that UE4 compiles and Eevee forces it. UE4 has ray traced cones and reflections. Yeah. So Eevee bakes it down, basically. Eevee, you have a really nice thing to bake down. Well, you have it in Unreal as well. You can bake down all the lighting and stuff. You get... Yo, hello? Yo, hello. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to pronounce that name, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Loading the level right now. This is quite a big level, so is this taxing on the system? Stream really laggy. Oh yeah, that's because that's probably because I'm opening the level right now. Usually just my whole system basically goes down. Hey there, Jake. Nice to see you here. Man, we're getting people from the Levis Umbra, you know. Go ask them questions. Jake is our... This is your YouTube Jake, right? Hold on. Am I confusing you right now for someone else? I'm pretty sure this is the right Jake. Please, wait, hold on. God. No, I'm very confused, but I'm pretty sure, yes. I'm pretty sure. Alright. Guys, we have, I don't know if Ramon is still here, but yeah, we have design lead in we have a chat as well right now. So if you guys want to chat with, if you guys want to ask more questions about those things, then pop them in the chat. I'm sure Jake is fine with answering some of your questions, and if Damien is, I'm sure he's also going to answer some questions, but I don't know. And that compile never gets stuff. That's really, it's a lot. I wouldn't be compiling so long. So the Twitch, yeah, the Twitch link is in my description of the stream. So you can basically hop over to Twitch as well if you prefer watching on Twitch. I am going to in the future probably transfer my streams to Twitch and only use YouTube for videos. I will try to make videos more regularly and things like that, so that basically I don't want to have the subscription box of people on YouTube full of streams and stuff. So I'm going to probably go to Twitch sooner or later. So yeah, if you wanna stay notified on if I do Twitch streams, then you should follow me over there. And yeah, otherwise you can stay here on YouTube as well for now. Alright, Jake just said he's happy to answer questions from you guys, so yeah, go ahead and throw some questions in here. I mean, what could be really cool as well once this project is sort of over and stuff. Ooh, look at that, we got concrete stuff in there now. That's awesome. Once this project is over, maybe we can do another stream or something and basically play the game as the developers and stuff like that, and have a live stream where we play the game and with you guys basically. What do you guys think of that? Would that be cool? And then we could talk about different things. You guys could ask questions in the chat about how we made certain stuff and so on. Yeah, I think that would be a great idea. So if you guys like that, do let me know. Oh, I just got a notification. Yeah, yo hello is now following. Thanks for the follow, yo hello. That's nice. You're now part of the secret Twitch society. Yeah, this compiler is taking forever. Why is it compiling so much? What is going on? Alright, since I just wanted to show the post-processing anyway, so Indian RPG game render can see. Let's go back to the old map. It's still gonna compile in the background, but it should be much better. So basically what you have in Unreal Engine, which is really nice, you have post-processing volumes, and this is basically a trigger box, and when the player walks inside it, post-processing effects are applied. When he's outside it, they're not applied. But when you go inside it, but you can also set it so that it goes everywhere. So that's what you put in here, and basically that's how I always use them. But you can also, if I turn this off, for example, this is how the game looks without any post-processing. And then you turn on the post-processing, and well, right now it doesn't seem to do much except make it a lot more blue. But yeah, that's basically what the post-processing does. Is color correction, but it also tweaks some of the light and contrast and stuff like that. Maybe this is also not the best scene to show this off, but what it can also do is, if you basically, this is how it usually works. So you can see I'm inside now, and when I go outside, things get a little, like, they adjust a little bit. But yeah, let's put this back to the infinite extent. We're gonna look at some of the post-processing features. Sure, why not? So this is something that I could also do a tutorial on in the future, maybe. I'm sure there's already plenty of tutorials out there though, but I don't know if you guys want to see me do another one, another tutorial on that topic. I guess let me know in the chat. Hey there's 7IO, thanks for dropping by. How are you doing? It's not Ruth's journey, is it? Yeah, sorry. Well, I basically decided some people wanted to see some stuff in Unreal. I was going to show off the post-processing stuff, and I wanted to show off a bit of stuff that we're doing in our current uni project, which is quite cool. And so we decided basically that the first part of the stream is going to be working a little bit on Levis Umbra. And then afterwards we're gonna go to Ruth's journey. So yeah, just very short, going over that. So basically what I've got here is, for example, I applied a LUT to our game. Basically what this is it's like it's called a lookup table, so that's the proper word for it. And basically it allows you to adjust the entire like feel and colors of your scene, and can make it look very nice. There's like a pack that I used that has a lot of like very popular looks as LUTs, so you can just throw them on your scene and it makes it a lot nicer already. Like I like it a lot more with this LUT applied. Then there is the color correction stuff. This is really nice. This is something that UpBG is really lacking. There's like no, I don't know, maybe there is a post-processing effect or something that you can use, but yeah, basically you can do all kinds of color adjustments here. You can increase the contrast of the scene, decrease the contrast, what have you, color it in a certain crazy way. You know, there's all kinds of fun stuff that you can do, get all kinds of different looks for your game. Obviously not all of it looks great. You gotta be very deliberate about the choices you make with stuff. But yeah. Sorry to hear about that. The world is a crazy place at the moment. Yeah, that's very true, Jake. You're not he's not a Blender user yet. Maya is where he does most of his stuff, but like I'm saying yet because if you know me, I think Blender is going to make quite a bit of a change to the industry at some point. It's already doing that, so yeah. Then there's like things like depth of field, which here we can't really see, but if I hop into like the cinematic camera, let's see, cine camera, there it is. So basically this is like a cinematic camera. And oh man, the scene is so slow right now. Yeah. So this basically has a few more settings that make it closer to a film camera, so you can see we get some really nice like depth of field here, and we can tweak all kinds of things with it, like the focal range, the focus, so on, the f-stop. If I turn that to 0, yeah, oh yeah, that breaks it, I think. Oh no, actually it doesn't. Cool. Right. So basically I can make the depth of field like crazy strong, which is very unrealistic of course, but there's some cool stuff that you can do here. Zoom in, zoom out, very basic stuff, and the camera has the same post-processing and color grading things, so that basically if you make in the camera, you have a certain camera that you want to use for a cinematic, for example, and you want it to have a different look, you can like increase the contrast, for example, or do adjustments, and then when you go out of the camera you're back to normal, but once you're inside of it you have all these adjustments, which is also very useful. The dark areas in the cave are not dark enough for you. That's fair, yeah, that's something that we're still working on. In this lighting showcase I made it a bit brighter than the game is going to be, but yeah, adjusting the contrast and stuff like that is going to be a big thing. Does post-processing happen on the GPU or CPU? Pretty sure it happens on the GPU, but we can check. Yeah, so if you look here, this is the profiler that Unreal Engine has, and this shows like the GPU profiling, and post-processing is happening here. So this is what post-processing is happening, and we can even see how much performance it's taking up. Basically, it's using 1.8 milliseconds right now to do the post-processing for the scene, which is pretty good. Like overall, you can see this is not maxed out. If this was maxed out, then we'd be getting to a lower frame rate. But you can also see, it's probably because I'm streaming, but yeah, this whole scene already only runs at 40 FPS. And ideally we want to get to a steady 60 FPS with the game, so yeah, there's some more optimization that we're gonna have to do. Increased contrast does look better. That's good to know. It's actually the easiest way to fix this, I guess. Yeah, we could just adjust the gamma and the contrast a little bit, because this looks, yeah, I agree. Now in comparison, this looks very flat. So yeah, we can tweak that more. I'm definitely going to work on this post-processing a lot more in this week, up until the release next Tuesday. Talking of which, if you haven't checked the game yet, you can play it. Posted the link in the chat right now. Also on Twitch. Hold on, let me post it on Twitch as well. Where's the chat on Twitch? There it is. So here we go. Oh, and sorry for not reading the Twitch chat. YOLO. Is it more taxing with CPU or GPU? I should wait. Hold on. I have to do something real quick. Window top. Twitch chat doesn't show. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, this is a little unfortunate. I'm still trying to figure out how to set up Restream properly. So yeah. Unfortunately, Twitch chat doesn't seem to show on there yet, or on the on my stream. So yeah. But I'm looking at the Twitch chat as well now, so I'm seeing YouTube and Twitch chat at the same time. Hopefully that should be better and I won't miss any chat. It's not ideal, but alright. What's going to be the aim of this game? This game is a stealth game inspired by Splinter Cell and what's the name of it? A Tomb Raider, basically, and it's also got some like or like Deus Ex and like other stealth games. Basically, it's supposed to be an old school stealth game that is set in a cave with enemy robots that are like mining robots that have gone rogue and have turned against humans, and you have to go inside of the mine to shut off the enemies, basically. All right, Indian RPG game render, long ass name. Yeah, have fun. Thanks for dropping by. It was nice that you were here. And yeah, hopefully you'll have a good rest of your day or night or whatever it is right now for you. I'm assuming you're in India, or like I know you're in India, so like what time is it there? Probably pretty late. Probably pretty late. Oh yeah, lens flares. We wanted to put lens flares in. I wanted to put some cool ass lens flares in here. Intensity. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Oh, yes. I'm getting too excited about those lens flares. You need like the thing is you need a bokeh shape for this. Let's see if there's some engine content. Haha. This is round bokeh, but round bokeh is pretty good. Round bokeh is pretty nice. Can be quite nice, and then this is the thing. This bokeh, I just watched a lecture, or like I read a lecture today on this, or like a presentation that lens flares like this are pretty inaccurate because they're just screen space effects. But in the future they will probably be ray traced and physically accurate and stuff like that, which could make them a lot better looking. I want them to be very subtle. I don't like it when lens flares are super strong. So something like this already adds like a slight touch, right? And that's basically, that's what you got to keep in mind when doing post-processing, is like, don't overdo it. I've been there, I've done it in the past. Made a lot of stuff that looks absolutely trash in regards to what I'm doing now. But that's it, right? Live and learn. You live and learn. Increased contrast. Yeah. Lens flare. You can feel the GPU burning. I mean, I can hear the GPU burning, but no, this is fine. Like, this is something that you have a lot in other games, right? We want to make sure that we max out. That's the thing, right? In AAA game development or general game development, you always want to max out your resources, but still have it running at a very smooth frame rate. So yeah, we're aiming for 60 FPS as far as I know. So yeah, that's something that we have to keep in mind. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to add as well, dirt mask. So we're gonna throw this on here, and you guys won't see anything just yet. But if we turn up that intensity to like 50, look at this beauty. There's dirt on our camera now when you look at something light. And this is something that a lot of games have, which makes it look kind of cool. Can even go stronger with it, I think. Yeah. So the thing is, it's always sort of there, which isn't great. Like, it should only be there when light is really hitting it. So I don't really know. Maybe it's just too bright, and maybe this just means that the scene is too bright in general. That was something that we were gonna fix anyways. Don't use too much lens flare on the player's camera, use it more on the cutscenes. Yeah, 100%. That's a really good point to keep in mind. When I'm going to do the cutscenes this week, then I'm going to keep that in mind for sure. For the player, we want to keep it very subtle for sure. I think some lens dirt is fine, and a subtle lens flare is also fine. But yeah, as you said, like, it should be very subtle indeed. And then on the cinematics, it can be much stronger. There we go. That's pretty cool. So that's what I wanted to add with this, some little like effects like this, add some subtle imperfections is what those are, I guess. We can adjust the bloom, but I think we don't need to. Pretty happy with how this looks at the moment. Change the ambient occlusion, but that one looks pretty good by default. So yeah, I think that's really all we need to do here right now. I wonder if some of the Levis Umbra people are still in the chat, because maybe they could already give me some feedback on if this looks better or not. I mean, I'd have to probably, you know, I should probably do this. Go into the level where I actually did the lighting pass, and then copy and paste all the settings from there into this level. Oh, hey there, Doorhall. Doorhall, nice to see you in this chat. You thought Tom's Adventure won? Yeah, well, Well, to be honest, it was never a fair game anyways. No, I'm kidding. Tom's Adventure did win on YouTube, but I also asked in the Discord server, and more people voted for Ruth's Journey in there, which is what we're going to be working on in a bit. But basically the idea is that I'm going to start showing some stuff from the uni project I'm doing right now, Levis Umbra, because that one's releasing next week. There's a lot of stuff we still need to do. There's some marketing that I need to do for that. So yeah, this is part of like marketing for the game now, I guess, which is nice. Like I can show you guys a bit more about the project, a bit more behind the scenes stuff of what it's like to work on a uni project of this scale and stuff like that, and give you a bit more insights. So yeah, and then later we're gonna work on Ruth's Journey. And then some people started asking about like showing off the post-processing and stuff in Unreal, how that works and how you do like sort of nice lighting and stuff like that. But yeah, all right, so since this is a part of a marketing stream now, which sounds worse than what it is, because you guys actually don't have to buy anything, you just get a bunch of free stuff. Basically, this is our itch page for Levis Umbra, and I will post a link in the, well, the link is in the chat, so you can find it. I'm not gonna post it again. You guys can find it as well. How much will it cost? $0. $0, €0, 0 whatever. It's going to be completely free game. The main reason for that is, first of all, that it's a uni project, and since there's some licensing issues, so legally we wouldn't even be allowed to charge money for it. But then again, also, it's a uni project. It's a project for us to learn and put on our portfolio. So yeah, it would be a bit strange to charge money for that, in my opinion. And maybe if people really like it, there's already a bit of talk about it in our team. Maybe if people like it enough, we might be up for continuing the project and doing more of it, because there was a lot of content that we had to cut, unfortunately. But yeah, you can basically play our alpha build. It's alpha 0.5. It's very, like, it's got a lot of stuff already. It's 3 days ago, so as you can see, we made that build and uploaded it. It's the latest version we have online right now, and there's a lot more development builds that we've got. So I don't know, we've got like 10 minutes left for Levis Umbra. Maybe you guys want to watch me play the game. Is that something you guys want to see, or should we do something else? Hi there, on YouTube. Wow. A game I can't afford. I'm glad, yeah. No. Yeah, that's the thing. It's not going to cost any money. It's a free game. You guys can play it, and I think it's pretty cool. Some of you guys might be interested in this. I don't know. If you like stealth games, then hopefully you'll like this game as well. That's the idea. Alright, let me quickly close all these projects so that I can actually have enough processing power to play this. Let's see which build I currently have here. Yeah, and we also made this marketing screenshot, or like, you can, yes, I guess it's marketing screenshot. It's like a cover, it's a banner thing, and Obi1, who's currently in the chat, hey there Obi, he's helped me out a lot with the screenshots, so a big shout out to Obi as well. Check out his stuff on his YouTube channel. He's doing cool stuff. But most of you guys probably already know him. And yeah, we made this really cool screenshot for the game, and we're gonna do some more promo stuff. I'm going to make a trailer for it very soon as well. Hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, that's going to be lots of fun. Yeah, I gotta stop compiling shaders. But can you run it? Well, that depends on your graphics card, my guy. I actually don't know. We're trying our best to optimize the game so that it runs wherever. We're gonna have some graphics settings inside of it, so you probably, I don't know how much graphics settings we have right now. Maybe there's already some in the newest build. I don't know. This one's not the newest build. The one I'm opening right now. But yeah, I have a 1060. I have a laptop 1060. I just wanted to say you die in Wolfenstein 2 and there's some cat monkey involved because of that. Oh man, that's sad, Obi. Alright, let me quickly turn off the music so that I can show you this. Yeah, I don't think, maybe we have a newer build. I should probably get the newest one that we have. Alright, I'll download this in the background, and during that time you guys can ask me some questions if you want. Ask whatever you like. Basically AMA your session right now. This is not how I get to the build. My mouse disconnected again. My mouse is really kaput. My mouse is very kaput right now. There we are. All right. So let me get the latest build from the server. Well, now we can put the music back. Okay, so, oh wow, build 95, this is the newest one. Right, so this one's from tonight, this one's from this evening. It was literally made 4 hours ago. F for mouse, yours is broken as well, Dorhal, what? The right click gets stuck all the time, oh that sucks. Yeah, mine just disconnects and then I can't move it at all. But it's like the cable is just kind of screwed. But yeah, I don't know. It still keeps working. I haven't gotten around to like ordering a new mouse yet or buying one or anything like that. But yeah, to be fair, I do need a new mouse. I had this one for way too long. Got to clean out that folder. Not really. This is not really like a folder that we actively use. Like when every night we have a bot setup. There's a thing called Jenkins, and basically this is a free and open source automation server. It helps automate the part of software development related to building, testing, and deploying. Blah blah blah. So basically, if you set this up, oh, hide the URL. Oh, damn. Yeah, you're right. Oh, no. Okay. Never mind then, nothing happened. You probably won't even be able to access that URL without permission, so it's fine. So basically what Jenkins does, Jenkins allows you to upload builds automatically, and we basically have it set up so that every night the bot makes a new build and uploads it directly to the server. It even tests if the build is functional and so on. So there's a lot of really cool stuff that you can automate here. But yeah, my download speed is pretty slow because this build is already like a gigabyte large now. So the game is going to be kind of big, which is a little unfortunate because yeah, the bigger it gets, of course, the more content we have in there as well, but on the other hand, the longer it's going to take for other people to download. Yes, I have a lot of very old builds still here. I can probably get rid of those. But build 70 might still be fine to look at. Like this one's 96, so you guys can see how much of a difference there has already been. You assume this only be Windows? Right now, yes. For now, it will only be Windows, but I think there is a possibility that we can get it on Linux and Mac as well. So yeah. Again, yeah, Devil Game Studio. The game will be completely free. We have this on the itch page. You can already download our alpha build and play it. This one is from 3 days ago, so this is a pretty up-to-date version of what the game is. But there's going to be a lot of changes and things are happening a lot faster now since we're in the last week of development. But yeah, the game is going to be free, completely free, and yeah, you can play it if you want. Paul thinks it's a cool game. I think I have to agree. Well, Paul is one of our programmers, so yeah. It's cool that you're here, man. How are you doing? So if you guys have any questions, I guess, ask Paul if you wanted to know anything about programming in an Unreal Engine and Unity. I think he uses Unity a lot for his free time projects. Oh man, our lead is very positive today. But yeah, if you want to ask these guys any questions, then feel free to do so in the chat. I'm sure they'll be happy to answer some of the stuff. Should I use an emulator on your system to play it then? Are you using Linux? If you're using Linux, I guess you could try playing it in a virtual machine. I don't know if that's going to work, but I'm not sure. I'm going to bring it up tomorrow in the team and see what the possibilities are for getting the game on Linux and Mac. But yeah, I think for now it's not really feasible for us, and we are mainly going to be targeting Windows. Oh, the credits don't even work in this build. Interesting. Is this even... Wait, let me check something. The old alpha build might even be more up to date than this one. Ah, man. Also... Oh no, okay, no, this one is way older. Wow, can you remember the old intro? Remember the old main menu, guys? Remember when this was a thing? Amazing, right? You're late for the stream, so not exactly sure what you're looking at, but my question is, you're talking about Ruth Journey at the moment, like, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, I confused people. This stream was a bit unplanned. Basically, I wanted to do Ruth's Journey stream, but then I also, some people asked about this, and I kind of wanted to show more about it anyways, because we're releasing this game next week, and so we decided we're going to do the first half of the stream. We're going to just look at Levis Umbra, our student project, and hopefully get you guys sort of interested in the game, because it would be really cool if you guys play it and give us feedback on it. It helps us out a lot while making this game, and it's, you know, there's been a lot of people. We're like a team of 14 people. Oh yeah, this is a very old version. Okay, let's see if I can download the newest one. But yeah, there's a team of 14 people, and we've been working on this for like 8 weeks now. Well, no, we're going to be working on this 7 weeks. That's it. The block goes 8 weeks. Jolliver just subscribed. Hey, thanks for the subscribe, man. Thanks for the subscription. Wait, did you wait? Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. Was it a Twitch subscription? No, it was a it was a YouTube subscription. That's the thing. Cool. Yeah. So okay, we're gonna wait for the newest version of the game to download, and then I can show that one to you. Maybe instead of downloading the closed development build, I should get the itch one. But whatever, it's fine. But yeah, basically, we've worked on this for like 6 weeks now. We're currently in the 7th week of working on it, and yeah, there's been a lot of time and blood, sweat, and tears put into this project by the entire team. Everyone has been very very well motivated and very like doing some very good work on this project. Wait, why am I opening it again? I didn't want to do that. Basically, I wanted to open Ruth's journey. Yeah, that's not it. That one. Can I introduce you to the team? I'd have to ask them before I do, because I'm not sure if they're all okay with, you know, being introduced publicly yet, or if they want to ever do that. So I'd have to ask them. But yeah, I can give some rough information about the team, I guess. I mean, actually, you know what? No, that's actually not true. You can see their names in the credits, and everyone wants to probably have their name shouted out because it's part of they put part of themselves into this game. Actually, we should put the credits for the team on the itch.io page. I'm just noticing that. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up our producer for that. Make sure that we get the whole team credits on the itch.io page, because that's always nice to kind of see on there. But yeah, once the game downloads, I'll make sure to show you guys the credits, but it's gonna take a bit longer. All right, but enough of that now. We've been going on about Levis Umbra for quite a while now. Yeah, you guys can play next week. I'll make sure to announce it on Twitter, and yeah, also probably here on YouTube as well. I'm thinking of making a video for it, so yeah, just looking forward to hear what you guys think about it, because I think it's quite a cool game. But I might be biased just a little bit. Yeah. Oh, by the way, if we're waiting right now, there's another thing I wanted to ask you guys while you're watching this. How interested would you guys be to watch me playing some games and basically giving my feedback, opinions, and so on from like a game design perspective? Maybe, or just generally talking about like playing a game that is kind of cool. Like, okay, let me make an example. Wait, hold on, this is not where I need to go. It's basically this launcher is so slow. This is like the biggest problem with this epic launcher, is that it's so slow. But yeah, I thought about like just playing some games, maybe even playing some of your guys' games, having a special segment or a special stream where I showcase your guys' projects, or like basically play them, talk about them, give feedback, and so on, and have a stream for that. And basically maybe that would be a great way also to help you guys make some improvements to your games, and also reach maybe more people with what you're doing. So that could be cool. And then another thing, but I'm also thinking maybe I could do that, turn that into a video format a lot better. So basically something where I'd make like a 10-minute video. You guys send me your games, and I play 5 games every like, I don't know, every month. I play 5 of your guys' games, make a 10-minute video about it, and basically every game gets like 2 minutes of just me talking about the game, feedback, and so on, showcasing the things that I liked and whatever, and then yeah, that could be a pretty fun video to make, as well as something that you guys might help you guys out as well. So let me know what you guys think about that. What if this game will be on consoles? Yeah, unfortunately it's not super easy to get on consoles, so I don't think it's going to happen. It would be really cool, because that's something I definitely want to learn for the future, is how to get a game on the console. But yeah, I don't think that's feasible for a game like this, unfortunately. With Ruth's Journey though, I think Ruth's Journey is probably going to stay PC only. Pretty sure actually, but unless we get like some serious, unless we get like a publisher or something like that that supports us with the console port. But The Long Way Home, I kind of want to get that one on consoles if possible. So basically, alright. So basically what you're looking at right now is this game, Among Trees. I've been following them for a while, and their game looks so awesome. Like, it just looks lovely, and I bought it. They recently released it in early access, but it's basically like complete, but they're still gonna fix things and so on, as far as I know, and maybe even add more stuff to it. I don't know much about this game, but it looks beautiful, and I thought maybe I could also play that on stream. You guys could join me, we could play this together, more of like an actual like sort of let's play type of thing, but from a game developer's perspective. So maybe you guys have an opinion on that. Could be kind of cool, I guess. I would probably call the streams like Gamedev Plays or something like that. So what do you guys think? Is this something you would want to see? Because then also would be a great way for me to actually find the time to play some games that I really want to play, that I've been piling up in my Steam library and also on the Epic Store and so on, that I just haven't gotten around to playing yet. Devil Games, next live stream, would you like a demo of The Silent Dark? Is this your game? If it is your game, I'm going to probably make a channel in the Discord where you can submit your games, basically, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to do a stream about your game specifically. Maybe I will. That's something I'll have to think about, but I think that could work really well as a video, actually, instead of being a stream. It could work both ways. So maybe I'll stream it on Twitch while I actually play it, and then afterwards I'll release a video on YouTube. How about that? That could be a nice way of doing it. But yeah, it would be a Twitch only stream in that case. So yeah, that could work. And then the other thing would be me playing various indie games that I think are really like really cool and worth getting a bit more attention. So yeah, this one, for example, is really awesome looking, Among Trees. This one already has quite a big following and so on, so like I don't think they need I think they're good, but you know, you never know. There's always the potential to grow with game development. I don't know what else in here there would be in this level. Inner Space looks kind of interesting. Yeah. Soma I wanted to play at some point. That was already pretty old, but yeah. There's just some really cool titles. Layers of Fear is pretty nice. I haven't played it, but I've watched like a playthrough of it. Bad North, the guy who makes that, is pretty cool. He makes some cool stuff. Yeah, I don't have much stuff over here. Observer I think would be interesting. I wanted to play that at some point, but yeah, I have more of my Steam library. Yeah, Doorhall, that makes sense. The thing is, I do just enjoy streaming anything really that and talking about just stuff game development wise and so on. So like for me, like I could stream all these things. Yeah, which is probably fine, but I'm also just, you know, I'm asking because I kind of want to hear what you guys like the most about the stuff, or like what you guys enjoy watching, you know, because then I can kind of try and make this thing kind of find a way for me to make content that you guys enjoy, but also that I enjoy making and you guys also enjoy watching, which is like the ideal way of going about it, right? Oh man, yeah, always save your UE4 project, Devil Games. Yeah, that happened to me a bunch as well. You learn from it. I forgot something. I forgot one very important thing, I think. I forgot a very important thing. Alright, that's probably fine. Why does it crash every time you delete a decal on material? Not sure, there could be multiple reasons for that, but I have the same thing that sometimes just crashes for a random reason after deleting something. I think usually it's because it runs out of power, that's a weird way of phrasing it, but you know what I mean? It's like, it's too intense to delete a thing or something, but it's weird, it's probably a bug, so yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm just noticing this. This is pretty weird. Not sure I'm a big fan of this triangle structure on his face here, but okay. So basically, where we left off last stream, we tried to fix some stuff with Ruth's journey, with the camera feature. We made some fixes for it, but there's more to do. There's always more to do. Yeah, there's even some. This is not great. Oh man, there's so much more polishing that needs to be done with this. Huh. I thought this worked before. Oh no, walking backward. Yeah, there you go, now it works. So walking backwards usually works automatic. Wait, does it? Yeah, okay, so it does. Basically you just play the forward walk cycle, but you play backwards. And that's fine. That looks okay. But if I walk like sideways and then I walk backwards, it doesn't do it. Huh. Alright, that's something I'll have to look at. Oh man. Yeah, sorry Hassam. The thing was, I had the vote going, and yeah, on YouTube a lot of you guys wanted to see Tom. But I also asked in the Discord server, and more people wanted to see Ruth's journey on Discord. So it was a bit of a conundrum. But it's like, you know, the thing is, Tom is currently a bit on hold because there's a lot going on at with my school project right now. We are 1 week away from launching that and releasing our game for university, and then also Ruth's Journey's got to make some progress as well. So I don't really have time right now to really focus on Tom's adventures at the moment. That was a bit of a starting. That was cool, and I'm still going to continue it, of course. But right now, unfortunately, it's just got to be a bit on hold. But in 2 weeks from now, I should be a lot freer, and then I will probably go back to doing regular streams for Tom, as well as more for Ruth's Journey as well, because I'll be done with university for the year. Well, no, not for the year, for the school year. So the whole summer is going to be basically free. And then I'll hopefully get to year 3. We'll see. We'll see if they let me go to the 3rd year or not. You'll guys probably will be the first to find out. I don't know. Probably not, but yeah. I might share it or not. Anyways, what am I doing? I'm flying around. I'm doing the thing. I'm doing the thing that people always do when they the thing you shouldn't do when you're trying to stream game development. Get distracted. Alright, I want to work on this one first. Create a nature video for Instagram, because I think that would be quite fun. Can whistle. I'm so happy. Thank you, Ahmad. Yeah, I'm not planning to leave Tom. Don't worry about that. Tom is going to be stronger than ever in a few weeks, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, right now just the focus has to be a little different, so that I can make sure to meet all my deadlines. And Tom is just a fun thing on the side right now. Tom is not supposed to really have a goal yet, other than just making something fun and having a good time with you guys. So yeah. Right. So what I'm thinking, maybe you guys can also help out with that. I'm thinking I want to make a video for Instagram. That's going to be our first post on our Instagram account for Nifty Llama Games. We're going to post a lot more on there. Well, basically, hold on. Let me open it over here, then I can show it to you. But we're not sure yet what the first post should really be. So we basically have the description here. There were students, independent game developer, first project will be Ruth's Journey, the teaser. That's it for now. But we want to make like a video that specifically is for Instagram. So we gotta make it like, we gotta make it at a square aspect ratio, which is going to be cool. I guess we should start with that. I'll get a wait, I have more cine cameras. What do these do? I'm confused. Alright, we'll grab this camera and we'll basically change this to a custom setting. And then we'll just, I don't know, we'll just do 36 by 36. There we go. That's looks absolutely horrible. Whoever thought video like this was a great idea? Alright, this way it's better though, this way it's fine. Hey there, Goblin King. How's it going? Goblin King's on Twitch. Yes, it's going good, man. I'm working on Ruth's journey a little bit. I don't know if you know that project, but yeah, we're trying to make an Instagram sort of video for the game, like a first sort of just a chill video for Instagram, basically showing some of the game. I think this is a pretty cool frame. Yeah, so we should do this one. Can you send me links? If you want to send me links, you can do so on the Discord server. I don't know if you're on my Discord server or on our Discord server yet. We have a Discord server for Nifty Llama games, and you can basically send me links in there. I think the link to that should also be in the Twitch description. Yeah, exactly. It's in there. Oh, he's sending me a song. Hold on, alright, let me have a look. What's that? Oh my god. I just dodged a bullet here by pausing the video immediately. Yeah, I'm not gonna play it. I'm not sure what the... This is probably copyrighted. Yeah. Not gonna play it. For those of you watching on YouTube, I basically... Goblin King tried to rickroll me. But he failed. He failed, man. You gotta try harder next time. Oh my god. I saw this the other day. I need to be more motivated when I work. That's why I write motivational quotes on post-its and put them on my head. That way everybody knows I'm highly motivated. Alright, so I like this. But the thing is, this is not the right level for doing this. So, I'm going to take the camera. We're going to go in our trailer level. You wanna send me a real song? Sure. Do it, I guess. Do it on the Discord server. Then I can actually, because then, you know, you can also send me your games and stuff, and I will play them at some point. And I will give you guys feedback. Alright, so here we go. Now the camera's here. Oh, it's from Grandson, like the YouTuber? Wait, I know Grandson as a music artist, but not as a YouTuber. Carrie teaches you how to time travel. I've seen this video. Oh, you don't have Discord and you don't want it. Alright. Wait, Grandson has a YouTube channel, the music artist? I've been listening to his music a lot. Yeah, I've seen this video though, I've watched this. Been a while. But yeah, we gotta keep focused here. Also, yeah, this is what you send me. It's not it's not music. I'm confused. Ah, look at that. All right, here we go. This has like a bit of a better post-processing and stuff. Is the wind working in this? Oh yeah, but it's super subtle. Huh. Maybe you should turn that up for this screen grab. Okay. I'm basically going to make a sequence for this. Cutscenes. Animation level sequence. I'm going to make an Instagram nature show. Instagram nature show. Oh, you wanted me to learn the time travel. Why are you telling me to look? Okay, then that's where you're going wrong, Goblin King, right? Alright, here's the thing. If you tell people you're gonna send them one thing and then you send them something different, they're less likely to actually watch it because they expected to get the first thing, but they got something else that they did not expect. If instead you would have told me that you wanted me to watch something about time travel and I say, yes, sure, I'll watch it, then I'm much more likely to watch it, right? That's how you do. I think that's how that works. But I don't know. Maybe some people would watch the video. Let's have a democratic vote. Oh yeah, Ahmad. Yes. I was talking about this earlier. Basically, I thought it would be a cool idea to do basically a stream. I'm going to probably do a stream on Twitch where I play your games. You can basically submit them to me on the Discord server that we have, and then I'll check them out on the stream, and then once a month I'll also make a 10-minute video or something about it for the channel here, and then maybe yeah, talk about those games. Maybe not once a month, I'm not sure yet. It's very early idea, but I think it would be cool. Okay, 7IO is back, that's nice. We're also doing Ruth's Journey now. And yeah. RPG gotta make real-time composition in the like post effects. Yeah, that would be nice, for sure. There's a lot of cool things they can do in RPG. I think though that there's a lot of potential with RPG. I definitely think there's RPG could be pretty cool but the reason why it's currently just a bit behind other engines is that it just doesn't have the funding. There's just no money that goes to the. I don't know if the developers that are working on RPG are actually paid, like if they are actually getting money somehow from this. Because I know like Lord Loki and I think I'm not sure who else is also working on it, but let me check real quick. But the guys that are working on this, they're putting a lot of really like they're doing a lot of really valuable stuff. Like they're doing some really good stuff with this. But yeah, there's just the interest in the engine is just very low. And the community is nice, of course. So that's really cool. But yeah, there needs to be more people basically using the engine, and for that the engine needs to have more features that make it easier to use the engine. So it's kind of just a problem of not having the backing of a proper like company basically behind it. And since Blender abandoned it, or pretty much abandoned it because they don't have the resources for it probably or whatever, yeah, there's just right now it's just not feasible for them to make any huge changes. But they're still, like, to their credit, they're doing awesome work and they're actively working on this all of the time, so that's really cool. RPG is a glitch machine. I hope developers power it a bit. Yeah, I agree with that. RPG is definitely, that's the main thing. There's a, you can still make some really cool games with it. Like if you guys, well, speaking is hard. if you guys have seen Crumb by Hate Me is making a really pretty cool game. Like, yeah, I could say it's a really cool game made in OpenGE, and it's even on Steam and everything. So yeah, that's really fun, and I played it the other day. It was really nice. It's in beta right now, so basically but I think a lot of you guys already know about this. Yeah, so this is it. The beta is over, it seems. The test, 43 players participated. That's really cool. And they're still working on the game. That's nice. And then the other guy who's really doing some awesome work is Stefan. Stefan over here is making amazing stuff with OpenGE. His project Purpose Versus is really cool. And then there's another guy as well that I'd like to show to you guys, because I haven't actually looked at his project in forever. Also, where's Versus discussion here? So this is what he's doing. This is more like screenshot stuff, but yeah, here's like his devlog update. Also really fun guy to just, his devlogs are really fun to watch. So yeah, go check those out if you haven't seen them yet. It's really nice. Alright, hold on. Here. Looks so smooth. Like, I don't know how he does it. In OpenGE, like, it's crazy. And then the other one will be an old friend of mine who I've been doing a lot of stuff with in the past, and who's been on the streams from time to time as well. But it's hard to find his stuff. I don't know if he's actually, I'll have to see, but he's called Nick. And he's been making some cool stuff, and he's been working on his game in the OpenGE for 3 years now. I think it was 3 years. That's what he said. So yeah, that's really nice. Nixodemus1. Yo, I'm gonna ask him to just send me a link to his game so I can show it to you guys. Oh wait, maybe we can Google for it, because I remember the word. I remember the name of the game. Alright, that seems like there's... It seems it's very hard to find, so that's something that I can let him know. But yeah, that's some of the cool stuff that people are doing in OpenGE. I'm sure there's more guys, more stuff out there, more of you guys. I'm seeing a lot of cool stuff from you guys as well. Also, yeah, here's Devil Doser Games, like you said on Twitch. Hold on. You're making also The Silent Dark. You're making a game actually for me, which is quite nice. I'm really excited to see what you're gonna make. What I've seen so far looks cool. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, some cool stuff happening over there. But Armory 3D is really glitchy. Haven't tested Armory 3D yet. I really want to try it out. Is ray tracing in Unreal be enabled from Unreal itself, or do you need to create a shader? Unreal actually has ray tracing enabled by itself. If you have a ray tracing capable graphics card, then you can use it. But yeah, basically you need a ray tracer capable graphics card and RTX card, which I don't have. But yeah, if you have that, then you can do ray tracing in Unreal. It's quite cool. Yeah, I think it works pretty much out of the box once you have it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, Crumb was pretty cool. Like it being made by an RPG. It's impressive. Yeah, I do kind of wanna check out Armory, Devil Games. At some point, I want to check out Armory in the future and see how it's developed, because I've been following the development for a bit, but I haven't really gotten a chance to play around with it yet. Yeah, experiment with it and all that stuff. So that would be quite cool to do, get a bit of a better idea of how it works. This is a cool frame. Actually, now that I'm starting to use it, this format is pretty interesting. The Instagram format. There's so much more we need to do on this, but that's cool. We're getting there. And then what else can we get that looks nice? We need to have some sort of like movement in these, otherwise there's no real point of having a video, right? I mean, I can animate the cameras as well later. Oh, like that maybe, something that could be cool. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Maybe the benches though. Maybe the benches can be in the Oh yes. I think that works pretty well. Yeah. That's a good shot. All right. Next one, we want to maybe do one like just like that, showing a bit of, yes, foreground tree and so on. Oh no. Here we go. This time's the charm. Hey there, Aslan. Thank you, man. Yeah, what do I have on my forehead? It's a motivational quote. It helps me stay motivated. I don't know why I did this, but yeah. It says, what is it actually? Can you guys read this? Probably not. Oh yeah, there's no way you guys can read this. Hold on. No, you can't even see it now. There's just too much light. There's no point of having this if you guys can even read it. It says, wish it, dream it, do it. I don't know. It's kind of cheesy, but I like it. Saw it the other day and someone had this on their wall and I was like, oh, that's a cool quote. I kind of like that. So I wrote it down. Oh hell yeah, Doorbell Prod. How you doing, man? If it's stupid and it works, it ain't stupid. Yeah, I agree. That's a good quote as well. Man, you guys, give me more quotes. Give me more inspirational quotes. I had another one the other day. Wait, let me think. This guy on Twitter gave me a pretty good quote. He said, if you want to get something done, give it to a busy person. And that's a pretty good quote. Like it's actually kind of true if you think about it. because like a busy person will just get things done quick so they can focus on their other stuff that they're busy with and not waste time. Yeah, but give me more quotes. I'm glad to hear you're doing good, Doorbell. You're doing awesome. Glad to hear you're doing awesome, man. I'm also doing pretty awesome. Thank you for asking. I will never give up on Gamedev. That's a good quote, I guess. Yeah. I mean, yeah, sure. That's something. If that's what you if you are really happy with what you're doing, and Gamedev is the thing that you enjoy, and you wanna make video games as your thing, then it's a great quote. But if in turn if you're making games and you don't enjoy it at all, and it's making you miserable, every single day is just a pain, then I don't think like a quote like "I will never give up on making games" it's maybe not the best one in that case. But you know what? It's fine. I like the quote. You'll have to leave for now, Doorhole. No, Doorhole has to leave, guys. No. We have Doorhole and Doorbell in the chat right now. There's so many doors here, although Doorbell was very clear last time I spoke to him that he's not in fact related to a door, but it's just one O, so it's door. It's weird. Whatever. These guys just having fun in the chat right now. It's pretty nice to see. Alright, how many shots, how long should this Instagram video be, guys? What do you think? What's the right length for an Instagram video? Like, do you guys even use Instagram? And if you do, like, how long are you on Instagram? Usually, or like, how when you see a post like this, how long would you watch the post before being like, no, don't really, like, you know, just scrolling to the next thing? What's the right length here? Also, what's the right progression of this in terms of, I think it's pretty open. We can just go 3, then 4, then we can go 6, then we can go 8. Maybe these ones should be flipped, so this one should be 8, and this one should be 6. Yeah, I think it's a more natural progression. Let's see. These are very short as well, so these gotta be longer. There's gotta be more camera movement. I guess in that case, it's gonna already stretch out. I'd say, like, I mean, 30 seconds is like 15 seconds based on your research. 10 to 15 seconds. Oh, that's really cool. So you actually did research on this. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you, Aslan, for for giving me some of your research insights for that. That's really nice. So we'll see. Let's go for 15 seconds right now. If we have four shots, that doesn't really divide well. So, what's the next best one to use? 16 seconds, I guess. We could go over, or we could do 12. Oh, Hussein! Alright, my man! Now I recognize. Yeah, oh, sick. From Excellence Pro. Yes, hell yeah. Ah, that's dope. Thanks for dropping by, man. It's cool to have you here. Yeah, I didn't recognize the name, that's why I was wondering. So I'm thinking maybe we could do like, maybe we can do 16 seconds, have 4 seconds on each shot. Let's see how that goes. If we do camera moves with them, like very subtle camera movement, like a move in or something like that, then I think it could work. But yeah, I don't think there's much more that we should... Maybe more of an establishing shot at the start though. Huh. Let's see. What if we did something like this instead? What if we like really went up here and then we go closer, and then in the second shot, and so on. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna call you with your by your Twitch username. That's gonna make it easier. So yeah. If a bug bothers you, always ask help. Don't be shy. Yeah, that's a really good quote. I mean, that's very true. Like, if you have problems with something in your game, there's a really, like, the game developer community is really cool. Like, I think it's one of the most supportive communities, at least that I've ever come across. But then again, that's probably also, it's like one of the only communities that I'm regularly active in. But yeah, it's a really nice community. There's lots of people that you could ask for help, and lots of people willing to give feedback and help you out with stuff. So yeah, this is way too much of a camera move. Alright, Aslan is your second real name. That's nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell my second real name because it's kind of, it's fine, but not a big fan of it. Does anyone know how much sound Blender can handle? I have no idea how many sounds Blender can handle, to be honest. Yeah, not quite sure. So, how fast is this gonna play? Too fast still. It shouldn't be like this. That's the thing. Yeah, that works. That works. We can do that. Alright, cool. So we got the first shot like that. By the way, what am I producing here? It's going to be an Instagram post. We have an Instagram page for Nifty Llama Games, and we still need to make our first post. So yeah, that's mainly going to just be the first Instagram post, probably. Either this or a screenshot from the game, but I'd rather have a little video. Though, to be fair, we're not really showing Ruth in this, which is something that could be improved. Whoever first post is actually showing a bit of Ruth in it. So, not sure yet. But yeah, we definitely said we wanted a video for Instagram with some nature and stuff. So that's basically what I'm making right now. We can fly in closer, I guess, but no, well, yeah, we can do that. We can do like a fly closer. We've already done this shot in the teaser for the game. Teaser trailer. Why did I make a keyframe for this? Gamedev community is better than the gaming community, 100%. Dobal Pro, you're so right with that. If you want proof, just look at the 9gag post that we had for Ruth's journey and the reaction to that. Like, when we posted this in Gamedev with Gamedev people, of course people loved it. Or like, of course is the right word. We were really what am I saying? Of course it's the wrong word. We were really happy to have a really like great reception to the to the trailer and everything in the Gamedev community, and even some of my lectures actually posted the teaser or shared the teaser to their followers and stuff like that, which is really cool. Like, I'm so happy that people are really liking what they're seeing so far. But if you look at 9gag, we made this post, it still got it got a lot of upvotes and stuff, which was also really cool. But some of those comments, like, you can see, it's interesting to see how gamers react to your post. Use it on 9gag too again. Yeah, that's actually a smart idea, probably. We'll have to think about that. But yeah, actually, you know, most of them were actually really happy to and really supportive, so that's great. Like the 9gag army basically boosted our teaser a ton on YouTube and everywhere else, so that was awesome to see. And yeah, we got a lot of criticism and or like we got criticism and feedback and stuff, which is great because it allows us to basically make the game better, right? And find ways that we can improve things to make it make some, and a lot of the criticism was very valid as well. So yeah, we're trying our best now to make sure that we adjust the game in ways that fits with what we have in mind, but also makes the game more appealing to people. That's basically it. That's basically how this works. Okay, so we're gonna start like this, I think, and then we're going to move in. We're going to move in much closer, and then again we're just gonna adjust the screenshots and the frames and stuff. Also, thank you, Doorbell Prod. I'm assuming you watched the trailer for Ruth's Journey. Yeah, it looks like one for a movie. Oh, that's so nice to hear, man. Thank you a lot. Yeah, we worked about a month on the trailer itself, while also making the game. But yeah, you want me to check out a link? Hold on, real quick. Sure, let me have a look. Copy of War game development. All right. Yeah, hold on. Let's have a look. Before we do this, I need to quickly say, yep, there you go. So Aman just sent this. I'm assuming, yeah, this is Aman Hassan's game. Let's see. Oh, the music, okay. I'm not sure if this music is copyright free or not. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so I'm going to mute this video. Unfortunately, I'll have to mute it. Oh wow, Aslan, you got 15k playtesters from 9gag, very supportive and positive. That's awesome. That's really great to hear. Wow, I had no idea they were so active over there. Like people, when I told people that our post went like viral on 9gag and stuff like that, they were like, a post about you, like you used 9gag for this, like that's a real, like who would think of that? But yeah, if you do it right and you post the right thing, then I think the community will be really supportive over there. But if it comes off as you just spamming them with videos of your game and stuff like that, and basically saying like, "Oh, play my game," then they're not going to bother as much. All right, but let's look at Ahmed's game here. There's some cool looking stuff here. Wow. Oh, it has some. This chill stream music doesn't really fit with this. But okay, it seems like the music is gone, so yeah, I'm just watching. Wow, that's actually really cool. What? Nice. What? Okay, so the tank is constantly being repaired or something? No, oh, that explosion was dope. Yeah, wow, dude, man, that's great work. Like, especially for using RPGE, I'm assuming, is it RPGE or is it the regular game engine? I think it's RPGE. That's awesome. Like, I tried to make a tank game a while ago, right? It's what got quite a bit of attention on my channel when I started out. I made this like drivable vehicles video and so on, and people really seem to like that. But yeah, that looks dope, man. Some good stuff in here. I like that you have sound effects in there. I like that, all the stuff that you're doing with it. So far looks great. I just wonder where. Oh, sorry. I just wonder where. Ah, come on. This is what I wanted, finally. I just wonder what you're going to do with it in the future, because it looks nice. I actually subscribe to you. Yeah, cool. Awesome. again, I'm going to probably be playing some of you guys' games in the future, and maybe on stream or make a video about it. So if you guys want me to check out a certain game, then I'm going to make a channel in the Discord. Actually, you know what? Let me just make a channel right now while we're at this. So otherwise, I might forget. CG Sky YouTube corner. You know what? This is going to move in the YouTube corner. Sync permissions. It's also going to go in here. Yeah, I need to find a mod for our Discord, because I think I want to do a lot more of our Discord server itself, but we don't really have a mod at the moment. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna just make a channel in here real quick. How do we call this? Playing your games. Wait, no. Sky plays your game. Let's just call it Sky plays your game right now. Alright. There's a channel in Discord now. I think if we look at the permissions, yeah, you guys are able to send messages and post stuff in there. So yeah, send me a link to your games and stuff in there if you want me to check them out, get you some feedback and so on, and perhaps stream it as well. You're working on the game of like 7 to 16 sounds playing in the background randomly, and sometimes the sound stops when it's in the middle. Yeah, I had a similar issue when we went The Long Way Home originally in the Blender game engine, so I'm not sure how I fixed it though. I don't remember. Alright. So, let's see if the speed matches up over here. Yeah, sorry Aslan, my stream isn't good enough to have I'm on Twitch. I'm not on Twitch a lot yet, so I don't have a bot set up for Discord, but in the description you should be able to have a link to the Discord, so you can join that. Yeah, I need to get a you know, a bot or something set up. I mean, there's a lot of stuff I can improve with this whole setup, but so far I've just focused on, you know, doing the small things first, getting everything started. That's pretty nice. I'm still figuring out the restream part of it as well, because YouTube and Twitch currently are going at the same time, but in the future I'll probably switch to I'll probably do streams exclusively on Twitch, so I'll try to get everyone from YouTube who's interested in these streams. I'll try to get the people over there so that they can, and then I'll probably do more streams on Twitch as time goes, because yeah, I'm enjoying this. It's quite fun to do. It's a great way to also like just interact with you guys and like get feedback while I'm actually making something, and yeah, it's really fun so far, and you guys are very supportive and amazing as well. So yeah, just had to say that as well, but have to put that out there. Alright, there we go. You have a Discord server but no one likes it for some reason. Doorbell, what? Wait, am I on your Discord server? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I'm not on your Discord server, man. Well, I saw you post on Twitter about it, I think. But yeah, growing a Discord server, I mean, this is just, you know, it takes time, as anything in this regard. You just have to kind of keep reminding people to, you know, hop into your Discord server, and also give them a reason, you know, give them a what do the people that join your Discord server get out, or like the people that watch your stuff, or that you talk to, what do they get out of joining your Discord server? Like that's the main thing, that people are not just gonna randomly join a Discord server. They want to get something out of that, otherwise they're probably not going to join it. It's the same with games, right? Why should people download and play your game if they're not getting anything out of it? So this goes to all of you guys that are making games right now. Think about, why should people play your game? What makes your game interesting to players, and what makes it different from all the other games out there? Because there are a lot of games out there, and it's honestly, game development is really easy to get into at this point. I mean, it's not really easy, that's not right, but like it's still a hard thing to do, don't get me wrong, but a lot more people are getting into it now. And so yeah, if you wanna make something that like that, you always got to think about why people would wanna join that server and so on, and play your game, all of that. I see G-Sky wants more info on game. You can go to your Discord and we can all talk in there. You talk in there a lot. Well, that's Aslan, you joined, awesome. I'll get you the llama right now. We got a thing. We basically give everyone that joins gets a free llama. So that's one reason why people should join our Discord servers, that they get a free llama when they join the server. So yeah. You have a Discord server but no one likes it. Yeah, you only have 40 members, but that's the most you've ever had. You try to give people a reason to hang out with other cool developers, chat with the creator of hit video. Top 10 saddest game dev moments. Haven't actually seen that video. Is that a hit video? I'm not sure. But maybe it is. Maybe I just completely missed it. Okay, Ahmad is trying to bring more realism to his game. Be able to get out of the tank and walk, have the player in first person and third person cinematic view, and more in the future. Yeah, alright, that's fair. But keep in mind, you know, developing the game is one thing, but you also want to be done with it at some point. So when you make plans like this, it's good to plan these things if you just want to experiment around with things. But if you want to make an actual game that people are going to play one day, then you should already think about when you're going to be done with the game, basically. Because otherwise you'll just end up with feature creep, and your and your game is basically just you'll never get the game done. And that's what happened to my projects in the past. Like when I started out, I was just making games for the sake of it. I didn't know what I was really doing. I was just making cool scenes and stuff and things that you can play around with, and it taught me a lot. But the thing is, there was barely a game that came out of this until I joined Game Jams. And Game Jams actually really helped me, you know, get better at making games, and actually, you know, figure out what it's like to actually finish a game and get it out there and have people play it and get feedback from people. And yeah, wait a minute, you're watching 3 minutes late, so you're replying late. Oh yeah, okay, that's fair, don't worry. Hit videos! Ugh! Hit videos! Well, I don't know, maybe I'll check it out someday. If it's such a hit video, you know, send me a link on Discord or something. I'll have a look. But yeah, I wanted to talk about game jams just real quick. Basically, if you guys follow me on Twitter, you'll have seen this, but the blended game making contest is happening soon again. This is like the first game jam that I ever did, and this is how basically Ruth's journey and everything actually started with this blended game making jam. So yeah, this was like 4 years ago. I don't actually, wait, hold on, this didn't work. Basically BGMC 23 was the one that I joined with Obi-Wan and Tim Drew Games. At the time, Tim Drew Games. Now he's doing Tim Drew Films. He's making films and stuff. And yeah, we joined the blended game making contest, and we made The Long Way Home, the jam edition of the game, which is actually, I can show it to you real quick. Come on, load a bit faster, would you? But yeah, that's how this whole thing got started. Oh, this is Ruth's journey. Oh no. Do I have this in here? Should have this in here somewhere. Wait, this is The Long Way Home by Nifty Lamp. Yeah, no, it's not the right one. This is the new game. Yeah, where is the old one? Come on. Too much stuff. Well, I can just, you know, hop in here, I guess. Yeah, okay, so basically this BGMC is happening again. I would highly encourage you guys to join it and try it out. Because it's always been a lot of fun to do this game jam. And actually this time around I'll be co-hosting it. So if you guys are in the Blender Game Engine community, the RPG community or not, me and what's his name, Blueprint Random, are going to host the next Blender game making contest. It's going to be a week-long game jam where you get to make a game in the Blender Game Engine, and I'm actually going to give away $200 of a prize to the best game of that jam. And maybe we're going to split it up so that there's also a second and third place. So yeah, that's something to think about. But yeah, I'm going to basically give away $200 to people that join this jam, and yeah, make like the best game they can. And we're not really sure how we're going to judge games yet and so on, like how that's going to work, but we're figuring things out, and the game jam is going to probably happen in like it's going to be at least 2 more weeks until the jam happens, maybe even 3. I'm not sure yet, but I still got lots of stuff to do for uni, so we'll have to wait until after that, unfortunately. Oh, Steven Barr, hey there. You were actually watching the low poly landscape video and saw I was live. That's great to hear, man. Thanks for, yeah, welcome to the stream. And you're switching from Unity to Unreal. That's great to hear. I mean, it's probably because of the Unreal Engine 5 reveal, though. Right? Because I don't know. I think a lot of people are actually, when they saw that and stuff like that, I heard a lot of Unity developers were like, "Oh shit, like Unreal Engine looks sick. Maybe I should try learn it." So yeah, I think it's a good time to start learning Unreal Engine and then get into that, because what they're doing, what Epic has been doing with Unreal Engine is honestly quite amazing. And yeah, they're always continuing to push boundaries in all kinds of ways. So yeah, I'm pretty happy that 3 years ago we decided to switch to Unreal Engine from the Blender Game Engine and got to where we are now, my team and I. But yeah, also Stefan, if you're interested in more stuff like this, I've got a plan with another YouTuber who's doing who's making Unity videos. We're thinking about making a series where I teach him Unreal Engine and we make a game together in Unreal on a stream or something like that, or like in a short video, and then that goes on like my channel, and in turn he will teach me Unity Engine, and make a video about it on his channel. So that could be kind of fun, and that way I will learn Unity, because I've tried playing around with Unity before, but I don't really know how to use it much, and I kind of want to learn it. And also he will be able to learn Unreal, but also this is going to be a YouTube video afterwards, so you guys can also watch it, follow the steps, and hopefully you'll be able to learn Unreal Engine, or will have an easier time switching from Unity to Unreal Engine that way, because we're basically having a Unity person do the switch during this video. So yeah, long explanation for a very simple thing, but yeah, if you guys think that's a cool idea, let me know in the chat. That'd be great. Alright, so let's play this right now. Okay. This one's a bit fast. This one's nice and slow. And this one works, but it's a bit too fast. Alright, no. So we need to make this one. We need to make this. Wait, this is. Which camera is this? It's this camera. To make this one a little slower. So we're just going to move this keyframe. Oh, wait. No, that's fine. Yeah, we're going to move this keyframe over. That way it's going to be slower. Same thing for the other camera here. No, it was the other one, this one. So yeah. That way it should be a lot slower now as well, which, yeah, that's gonna help. There we go. Alright, let's see what this looks like now. And then we're gonna add some sound effects, I guess, and finish the thing. Sounds like a cool video series, but it sounds more entertaining than educational. Yeah, that's the thing. That's very difficult. I wanna try balancing the educational and entertainment value of it. So it's mostly going to be focused more on the educational side of things, but like the fact that we're doing this together might help with the entertainment side of it as well. So we've already planned out a small game that that I'm going to teach him to make. I guess I can show this to you. Wait, I don't know if it's actually if I have access to it. Let me quickly ask the guy. You guys probably know him already. The people that are in this little game developer community. It's Andrew. It's Andrew, guys. Woohoo! Big news. But yeah. Basically, here's oh yeah, I have the document here, I think. Let me see if that's the one. Also, let me combine these tabs a little bit. Whoop, there we go. Whoop-de-whoop. Alright, no, that's not it. Is it? Is it not it? Ha! Yes, there it is. Okay, good thing I checked first, because... Yes, there it is. It's Brackies! Yeah, I wish. I don't have those connections just yet, man. I don't know if I'll ever have them, but... I should ask more people. I asked Danny. I actually asked Danny if he would be interested in doing this. And he actually replied to me on Twitter. He said, it sounds like a really cool idea, but he doesn't have the time for it right now, so... Yeah, unfortunately, Danny won't be joining this, but that would have been sick. Either way, Andrew is also really cool. If you guys don't know Andrew, check out his YouTube stuff. He's making lots of fun Unity videos, and he's making a pretty cool game as well in Unity. So yeah, definitely check that out. And together we want to make basically a low poly horror game. So what he wanted to learn, what we said like I should teach him is interface, of course, how Unreal Engine user interface works, compared to, you know, Unity and so on. For a Unity user, ragdolls in physics, animations. We're obviously implementing 3D models from Blender, so that's something that a lot of people are going to want to know how to do in Unreal. So that's something we're going to look at. Visual effects and particle systems, we're going to go into that briefly, as well as animations and all that stuff. And basically the idea is we're making a short horror game. It's going to be first person, and it's, if you guys know Triangle Man, it's the meme Dancing Triangle. So what we want to do is we want to make a horror game about Dancing Triangle. So I think it's a great idea. I don't know what you guys think, but in my opinion, a horror game about this guy is going to be amazing. So yeah, oh yeah, we already made sure that we already mentioned that we claimed this triangle. No, whatever. We'll figure out if this is even possible for us. But yeah. So we'll make a horror game, like a Slender inspired horror game, or like I guess nowadays you'd say a Siren Head inspired horror game. With Triangle Man. So Triangle Man is going to be following you, chasing you around a dark forest. And we're gonna make it in Unreal Engine and go over all these topics mentioned up here. So yeah, this is basically what we've planned, and we're going to see how feasible it is going to be. The idea is to not take longer than an hour or two of making this game itself, so I'm going to have to prepare a lot of stuff for it. I'm going to prepare a lot of the assets already and so on, and just like go through the steps with one model or something like that. We'll see, but yeah. And basically the gameplay will be that you have to collect pages that have piano notes on them, and then when you get close to and then you have to find a piano and play those the melody to progress. And you know, when you play the melody, then that's basically your only way to get rid of the Dancing Triangle Man that's after you. So you're safe around the piano, but you won't be safe collecting those notes. Yeah, which I think it's a pretty cool idea. So yeah, what do you guys think of that? I think it's pretty hilarious. We'll see how it goes. So what will it be named? Escape from Math. Ooh, maybe Escape from Triangle. You know? Also, maybe now for you guys, maybe my recent questions on the community tab will fall into place as well now. Yeah. Wait, did I ask this on the community tab? I did not. Oh, so you guys actually don't know. Yeah. Well, all right. Let me follow up on this. I made a poll on Twitter as well, like yesterday, related to this. So yeah, it's getting slowly revealed now. Asking, and basically, if you guys haven't voted on this yet, go ahead and vote. I need to know, triangles or circles. You can even vote in chat right now, guys. Triangles or circles, if you want. I'm curious to see. Oh, Doorbell Prod voted circles because he likes perfection. Ooh, okay. Yeah, let's hear him out. What do you have to say for yourself, man? Why do you? Okay, mirrored from all sides. Ooh, spicy. But aren't triangles also mirrored from 3 sides? Or more than them? 6 sides? Aren't triangles mirrored from 6 sides? Think about that. Like, I think that's pretty nice, right? Also, Doorbell, thanks for joining the Discord, man. looking forward to, yeah, to chat with you all there as well, while I'm not streaming and so on. No, they have mirror of the one side, no. What? What do you mean? What do you mean, doorbell? Either way, alright. Triangles or circles? I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Because I have my opinion. My mind's made up. I'm gonna say that much. My mind's made up, but I want to hear what you guys say before I say anything else. Before I make any other announcements or say anything. I'm just saying that this choice might matter in the future. Choices matter. Oof. That's what the games say on Steam, and then they have like 2 endings. Which our game will also have, probably, maybe not, maybe even only 1 ending, who knows. Okay, what am I doing? What do I need to do? We need to watch this again, see if the speed is fine. Honestly, first shot can be a bit faster. Faster. Attention spans are short on Instagram. People don't really watch posts for a while. They like click off them quite quickly. So something has to happen constantly to keep people excited. Yeah, we're zooming at... Okay, so what actually are we saying with this? This is a good last shot, but like... I'm thinking like, what story does this video tell? There's not really any story behind it. We're going like closer to the shed, which is a good progression. This shot doesn't do anything for it, so we're gonna get rid of this shot. And then basically we have this shot, this shot is a nice last shot. So I guess maybe we can do 3 shots instead. You know what? Let's do 3. Maybe we can do this one a bit longer, because I feel like this one would work great with putting like the title of the game on there at the end, saying like Ruth's Journey. I think that would be really cool. So what we can basically do is we can do something like this, and then we basically make a this, and then we play it, and it doesn't do anything. Right? Oh, this is... Oh! I'm working on the wrong camera. My man. Alright. Yeah, this is a cool final shot, and then we can have like the Ruth's Journey logo kind of coming in and writing itself like we have it already. I need to make that into an actual like video that I can use in this stuff here inside of Unreal. That would be awesome. I could probably easier do that in Premiere. So we're just gonna render this out, and then it's going to say Ruth's Journey, and then maybe like 2020, summer 2020 or something like that. Alright, what do you guys think? Is this something you would watch if you'd see it on your Instagram feed? Like, and if you guys were just a random person scrolling Instagram, like, you're not random people, of course, because you're Tom Gang, but if you guys were a random person, then what would you guys do? Would you watch this, or would you like continue scrolling? If you're random, you will be cool. I never questioned that. You know, you wouldn't be cool. Like I'm sure you'll always be cool. You know, Devil Games Studio. You'll always be cool, man. No matter if you're random or if you're Tom Gang, but you know, if you're Tom Gang, you're a little cooler. Alright. We should probably render this out, do the post-processing and stuff, and then finish off the stream with some cool games or something. I don't know. That might be fun. I have a few more things that you guys wanted me to show, and somebody else also wanted me to show something. I'm gonna do that a little bit, and but also, oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys Levis Umbra. So yeah, we're gonna show you a bit of the stealth game that I've been working on in school. It's pretty cool. I think it's coming together quite nicely. But yeah, you guys make up your own mind about it. By the way, Aslan, if you're still watching this, you said I should also get this on 9gag. I think it's a good idea, but the only issue I have with this would be that there's not really anything new shown in this, except for like, yeah, there's nothing really new that hasn't been shown in the teaser. So I'm not sure how people would react if we would like post it on 9gag again without really giving them anything new that they haven't seen yet. Like, it's fine for Instagram, because on Instagram we haven't really shown anything yet because the page is completely new. But you know, that's something I'm thinking, like maybe it might not be the best idea to show it on 9gag again. Maybe we need a bigger announcement for that, but I'm not sure. Aslan, if you're still watching, I don't know if you are. Maybe you already left. We'll see. File name format. Yeah, what do I have to put in here? Nature showcase, and then we can basically custom. We can basically render this at 1080 by 1080 resolution. Then it will be square. We'll save the selected, check out the selected. Oh no, I mean, okay, actually fine. I'm rendering it as a JPEG image sequence. That's okay. Any gang don't want to get guilty now. Most long stream here. Is this my longest stream? I don't think so. Oh yeah, it's scheduled to be 3 hours. What? There's actually a schedule here. Ha, that's cool. Yeah, so we have half an hour left. It's pretty good. We're making some good progress. I hope you guys like enjoy watching this stuff as well. That's part of the game development process, is making like marketing stuff and so on. Especially at the point where we are getting to right now, where we're getting more and more like mails from people in the industry, and sort of like we're getting mails from, you know, magazines and stuff that are like, not really magazines, but like, what do you call them? Journalists and so on, that want to basically write about the game. Hey, Stefan Barr, thanks for subscribing. Not sure if you're currently watching the stream, but yeah, Stefan Barr, welcome to the channel. Oh yeah, it's you. Alright, Stefan Barr, thanks for, yeah, welcome. Yeah, I have to check this out. Outlets. Oh yes, outlets, exactly, that's the name for it. Yeah. Yeah, so I've been doing, like, what I've been doing over the weekend was a lot of like networking stuff, and basically just trying to get in contact with news outlets and other people in the industry and so on, and just basically just growing my network more and more as I do this thing, because it's going to be very, very important and helpful down the road. The more this game develops, the bigger or like the more ambitious we are with this, the more we also need to make sure there's like we have the support structures and everything in place. So yeah, it's an interesting time. I'm definitely enjoying it very much, and I'll try and make like YouTube videos about this. Like I've got a bunch of ideas for videos that I want to make, but just haven't gotten around to make any yet, unfortunately. So streaming was like the only way I've been able to make content for you guys up to now, or like for now. But I think once I'm done with my school year, I'll have a lot more free time. I'll basically be able to do full-time YouTube, full-time game development for Ruth's journey, and YouTube as well on the side. So and Twitch and whatever, like those go hand in hand. So yeah, I'll hopefully get a few more videos up that should talk about some interesting topics. So yeah, we'll see how these go. And I'll try to make them more serious as well, because I feel like with the Steam video I made this video about how to get a game on Steam. I thought it would be quite a nice video for people to watch, but yeah, unfortunately I ran into some issues with the NDAs of Steamworks and so on. So I decided to redo the video, and that kind of basically stopped it from growing, because I had to re-upload it. It was doing quite well on Reddit and so on, but yeah, but what I did with the video, I tried way too hard to like be funny, and I think I put in too many memes and stuff, and it's not really me. So I'm still goofy, like don't get me wrong, I still like to make jokes and stuff, but in the end, I think if I do videos more in this style, like what I'm doing now with the stream, I think it's gonna resonate with people a lot more than trying to be overly funny and memeing all of the time and that stuff. Because yeah, it's like I'm trying to become a professional in this industry, right? So I'm doing my best to behave in a professional way. And if I then make videos where I basically just use stupid memes all of the time, it's not gonna fit with what I'm trying to do. So yeah. Wait, what? Instagram? Oh, well. It's really cool what you're doing, man. Thank you, Stefan. The game looks great. Oh, also, thank you. Wow. You're about 100 stages ahead of you. Okay. What stage are you at? I'm curious. You did YouTube stuff a while back, but you stopped. Yes, you're looking to get back into it soon as well. That's awesome, man. Yeah, basically, I did it as well a while ago. I started my channel, and I grew it up to like 4,500 subscribers or something like that. And then I don't even remember, but I stopped completely for 2 years or so because there was just too much going on, and I didn't want to show much of the game until during that stage. I didn't really want to do devlogs because it was a lot of like it was taking too much time. So instead I kind of just stopped doing YouTube at all for 2 years, and then recently during this like Corona situation, I decided to pick it back up and do YouTube again, like kind of trying to revive the channel, and yeah, and since then it's been a lot of fun. Like the amount of the awesome amount of people that I've met already in this community on YouTube, and the things that I was able to do already since I started this channel back again in February or whatever it was. Like it's been amazing, honestly. I'm loving it, and yeah, it's a lot of fun to do. I want to do it more in the future, of course. So yeah, lots of stuff coming up, hopefully. So can you please like actually capture the video now? Because right now I just captured one picture every time. The memes! You removed some of the most awesome memes? Wait, Ahmad, which memes, which awesome memes did I remove? I didn't really remove any memes in the updated video, I think. Wait? I don't know if I removed any memes when I re-uploaded the Steam video. I thought I kept it pretty much the same, but yeah, I'll try to find a balance because I like memes. Like it's a fun way of getting a bit more entertainment value out of these videos, otherwise they would be very dry. So there has to be a good balance between like fun content, entertainment value, but also educational value. So that's what gets, in my opinion, what makes a video fun to watch. So so yeah, that's what I'm going to try with my YouTube videos, is to get there. Huh. Wait, where am I saving this to? Hold on. It's not really saving this anywhere. NLG company, Instagram videos, nature shock. Oh! Wait, there's an Eevee file. Oh wait, the preview just looked like it was a picture. Oh, what? Why is there like random blendings? I'm so confused. This could be better. You see the LOD popping and stuff. Why is there a blend? Didn't add a blend. Oh, you know what? I think I know what it's doing. Right. So I think there's another cutscene playing at the same time in here. Yeah, it's this guy. Basically. But it's not set to autoplay. Is there another one? Oh yeah, there is. Is this one playing? No. So I'm confused why it's doing like these weird blends and stuff. You didn't watch the full video. Yeah, okay. Then yeah. I think I kept all of the jokes in there, so yeah. The trial is just AAA. Oh, that's so nice to hear, thank you. I think the thing is with AAA games, right, they can't do this kind of stuff because they basically, the AAA, like, gamers pretty much expect realistic graphics these days, right? Because that's what the game industry has been pushing for years, is like realistic graphics. And game engines get better and better and better at rendering things realistically, making them look super awesome, and it's cool. Like, don't get me wrong, it's really nice to see. But then again, like, gamers expect AAA studios to make like photorealistic games now, because there's all this tech there and so on, and it would be a shame to not go for that. But yeah, that leaves us indie developers with the opportunity to try out all kinds of different wacky art styles and cool art styles like low poly. Like, I feel like low poly is a really cool style, and there's a lot of really nice things that people are doing with this art style, and a lot of really cool things you can do with it. And I'm sure there's games out there that look a lot better than our game in a low poly style, and it's awesome. Like, it's just interesting, really interesting to see all the cool stuff that other people are making. Like Paramount intro. Oh, actually that's something I thought that, yeah, that kind of, it has something like that feel. We could do something like that. Does this game use the same low poly landscape, or is it a different method? It uses the same low poly landscape. Yeah, this is basically when I made this tutorial, the thumbnail, I made this in one section of this level actually. Basically what I did is I got rid of all the foliage, and then I looked for a nice piece of landscape, like maybe this part or something, I don't remember. But yeah, I used that for the thumbnail of the video and so on. Oh, you meant AAA. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, well, there you go, Ahmad. You just got my thoughts on the AAA games industry instead. But yeah, thank you, man. It really means a lot. But yeah, basically I made the whole tutorial inside of this project. I think I deleted the project files for the tutorial. Not sure if they're still here. Maybe I have them still. Maps? No. Geometry? I don't know. Huh. Haha. I guess, Stefan, if you're still here, would be cool to hear what would be the thing that you would wanna like learn. I wanna make more of these like lazy tutorials for Unreal Engine. I think that's a really cool format. Is Ruth also Velma? She's very well, she looks very much like Velma, that's very true, but we're changing her design around a bit to make her more of a unique character. I've actually made a post on that today on Discord. But basically what I was going to ask is wait, hold on, let's quickly show this here. So we're doing some improvements to Ruth right now, and basically she's going to get a bit more of an interesting outfit. Yeah, what I was going to ask is, I want to make more of these lazy tutorials, so what would be an interesting topic to do in these? What would you want to like learn next in that case? Because I think lighting would be very interesting to look at, maybe post-processing, like how that's being handled in Unreal. How you can do some like nice lighting and post-processing in Unreal, quick and fast. And I'll try to keep the videos very short, like 2 minutes max or something like that. Yeah, probably. So yeah, if there's anything else that you guys would like to see in that case, then yeah, just let me know in the chat or post a comment on the low poly landscape tutorial video, and I will read all of your guys' comments and see yeah, what I can use for future videos. Yeah, game developer life. You will think it's AAA. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. If you read AAA, then you assume it's AAA. I've never heard AAA being used as awesome. So, yeah, maybe that's just something I haven't heard of yet. Yeah, I don't know. I was hoping that this thing would render out perfectly, but for some reason there's some issues with that, so not sure what we can do about that. I'm making Minecraft villager noises now. God, I should stop. Create new timeline. Instagram videos. I have one audio, one video track. Yeah, we have 15 minutes left on the stream. I think we'll probably have to quit this like this project here, this little video. I'll have to finish this off stream, but it's fine. I'll figure out the problems. Where's this nature showcase thing? Nature showcase, it's here, right? Nature showcase. Oh, I have it selected. Cool. So yeah, I'm going to do this is where we have to do it in DaVinci Resolve anyways. So I'm not going to do this on stream. I'd rather show you some of the other cool games and stuff that I'm currently working on and so on. But yeah, that was what we wanted to do for Ruth's journey. So yeah, let's save all of that, close that, and yeah, here's a few things that I wanted to talk about. I talked about the Blender game making challenge. sign up for that or like join that. I'll announce it again once it's happening, so you'll definitely find out, I hope, because I think that's going to be really cool. I'm looking forward to seeing all your games. I'll play all of your games from the jam, so like, yeah, that's going to be nice. So this is fine. We can close that Trello board. And yeah, I wanted to give a small shout out to Nick Sodemas, or to Nick, a friend of mine who's also working on a game in the Blender game engine. It's called The Way the World Ends, and he's been talking about it on a podcast recently. He was on a podcast with another game, I don't actually know. It was a game journalist, I think. Anyways, it was pretty cool. If you guys want to see that, I'll send a link in the Discord server. But yeah, he talked about his game, The Way the World Ends. He's been working on this for 3 years now. This GIF is very small. Yeah, he needs to work on his itch page a little bit. But yeah, basically it's an RPG in which you basically, I don't really remember, like the pitch is a bit unclear, and there's a few things that this itch.io page that could be improved on this itch.io page. So
hello and welcome to The Way the World Ends.
Yeah, so that's him. Yeah, so he's got a pretty cool combat system, which is very, like, from what I've seen. And yeah, I played his demo a while back. So yeah, it might not look like much in this video, but I think that I'm pretty sure there's been a lot going on behind the scenes and stuff. And this game, when it gets an art pass and stuff like that, I'm hoping, or like I'm thinking it will probably get an art pass. I'm pretty sure that it'll, yeah. I mean, he's doing this as a solo developer as well, so you got to keep that in mind, right? He's doing the art, he's doing the programming, he's doing the design and everything else. So that's a lot of work for a single person to do. Personally, I haven't done anything this big by myself at all yet. I always like to get a small team together when making these sorts of things, because I feel like it helps me stay motivated a lot more. But yeah, I really like where he's going with this, and I think there's some cool things that you can do with it. Alright, that was that. So if you guys are still here and still interested, Omkar Sutar, hello there Nick Yarrow. Nick Yarrow, I remember you, man. How you doing, Nick? Cool to see you around. I didn't expect you to join my streams, to be honest. Like, or I don't know. How did you find out about it? And then, oh yeah, we wanted to look at Levis Umbra. Levis Umbra. You better. Yeah, man. I'm doing pretty good, man. There's a lot of cool stuff happening at iGata at the moment, so yeah, it's a lot of fun. Still, I mean, the program's still very stressful as always, but yeah, we're making some cool projects, and I feel like it's going to be some nice stuff for my portfolio, especially with Levis Umbra. I think we've done some really nice work. So yeah, we have 10 more minutes on the stream now, so I'm going to basically end it off by showing you guys the latest build of Levis Umbra, and I have no idea if this one actually works. I haven't played it yet. This one is the development build, so it's not going to be the one that you guys get to play, or that you guys can already play if you go to our itch.io page. But I'm hoping that everything will be fine, and I'm sure from how I know the guys, they've been doing an amazing job. Everyone has been doing such a good job on this game, and like I think it shows. But you guys are gonna see in a second here, and yeah, it's great. And we're releasing next week, so Tuesday next week is our planned release date for this game, public, and the final, well, the the first release, basically. The alpha is already playable. Alright, here it is. Levis Umbra. Oh, the music is amazing. It's in already. That's cool. I'm gonna run the credits while I adjust some of the stream settings real quick. Oh, and the music's gone. Alright. Oh man, Doorbell, you're leaving at the best moment. You're leaving at the best moment, Doorbell. No! Stay. No, but if you gotta go, yeah, have fun. Thanks for dropping by in the stream. I hope to see you soon. And I'll join your Discord as well. Send me a Discord server on Discord. Direct message it to me or something. But yeah, here's our credits. Some really talented people involved with this. Yeah, go check out some of this stuff. Alright, settings, let's see. Are settings actually here? Oh my god, we have settings now! What? Are they completely functional? This is... What? They're functional! What? Look at that! Yo, that's so cool! Yo, that's amazing! You guys don't know how excited I am about this, but getting settings to work and things like... Okay, now it's kind of weird though. I'm getting full... Like this is big, because this will allow you guys, if you have a shitty laptop or something and you want to play this game, then you can adjust the settings now and you'll be able to play the game and it'll hopefully run fine on your PC. So that's awesome. Holy moly, these guys. I love the team for this, definitely. It's been really fun. Alright, so we're not gonna touch the settings because I don't know, but wait, controls coming, what? Oh, in the map. Okay, but the thing, okay, there's a bug. I'm gonna have to report this after the stream. But yeah, the sound doesn't come back. For the music at least. So I'm hoping that'll still work when it plays. Yeah, there it is. There's the music. Right. So press new game. Oh, there we go. Alright, I didn't press it right, I guess. Alright, it's loading. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. That's the game. That's the game, guys. Yeah. Levis Umbra. Thanks for watching. That's our game. I hope you're looking forward to playing this. Let's do, oh yeah. Let's do that again. Is this the third game that was on the topic for today? Pretty much, yeah. I mean, this is the game I'm making with at university right now. So, yeah, that's what I'm currently spending most of my time working on. Yeah, let's play it again. That was fun, right? Let's play again. Ah, there we go. What a beautiful game. All right, 10 out of 10. No, I have no idea what they did. Development build, obviously. Let's see if I can load. New game. Oh yeah. All right. So if I load and then say new game, then we'll get to this menu. So this is interesting. But this way I can get to the second level. Same thing, but we don't die. All right. Well, in this case, yeah. Oh, okay. Right. So also not the one. Load new game, level 3. Oh, there we go. A level that actually works. Look at that. Our design lead actually has a functioning level. Right. Well, let's play that one then. Okay. So yeah, this is the development build. Keep this in mind. Lots of things are in progress here. This is not the one that you guys are going to be playing. But yeah, this is our game Levis Umbra, and this is our main character Lisa. That's what we called her. Yeah, and she basically the game is the premise of the game is that you're in this mining facility, and mining robots basically have developed some sort of AI, and they've decided to take over the facility and kill every human there. and as one of the like people outside of this, you have to now go inside of this facility and kind of disable all of the robots. But unfortunately, the whole disabling part of it probably won't really be in the game, because it's a student game. We only have like one more week left to work on this, really, until we have to be done with it. So yeah, and as you can see, there's still a lot to do, like a lot of developer textures and stuff still in here. But it's all coming together quite nicely, I think. It's working quite well. Alright, oh, this changed. You're switching from Tom to Levis Umbra? No! No, you're not Tom Gang anymore. Amat, no, we can't lose Tom Gang. No, but I'm glad you like what you see with this. Yeah. Oh man, this is some fun moments here. Oh, I should be careful. These guys, they're not messing around. I don't know how the brightness is on stream. Is that something we have in the settings? Brightness. Does this change yet? No. Unfortunately, brightness slider doesn't work. That's something that we definitely need to have, because for some people this might be way too dark right now. For others, it might be too bright. You know, that's something that you should always be able to adjust in a game. Yeah. Right, this guy's just standing there. This guy doesn't move. Do they actually? Oh no, I'm dead. Yeah. Alright, so this is something that we're going. Oh yeah, that's something. That's something that we're going to have to tweak. These guys are very deadly at the moment, but we have checkpoints, so we can play from here. No, I guess we can't. No. Alright, so we go back into the main menu. It's dark for you, Omkar? Okay, yeah, that's very fair. I think it's too dark. Especially when you record it, it gets even darker, because on my screen I have pretty high brightness, but then when it records it, it compresses it and so on. So yeah, might not be the best way to go about this. But wow, everything's really coming together so well. Like, this menu is so well made. Big shout out to Luca, who's spent all block working on this. Yeah, I'm going to talk maybe what I really want to make for this game. Oh, hey there, Johannes. How's it going, Joe? How's it going, Joe? I recognize you now. This time you actually have your name as the name. I think last time you were on Twitch, so yeah, fair. But yeah, what I really want to make or what I really want to do is make a video, like a post-mortem video of basically, or like a making of documentary for this game, all the things that we've done, and getting random people from the team to talk about the stuff that they did for the project and so on. I think that would be really cool. So over the summer holidays, I'm probably going to do that. Yeah, I also have Twitch, Joe. You can check out my Twitch. Oh yeah, we definitely need alpha testers. Good thing that you're mentioning it. So yeah, Joe, and everyone else, if you want to alpha test Levis Umbra for us and help out with that, then we would highly I would love that. So yeah, I'm from Germany, for those of you that don't know. That's why some of the people in the chat might be speaking German from time to time, because they're my friends from Germany. So yeah, if you see German in the chat, just try and say something German back, or yeah, or ignore it, I guess. But yeah, if you want to help us out and alpha test for the game Levis Umbra, you can go to the Twitch. You can go to can you go Twitch.io? Twitch.io/Levis Umbra. That would be ideal. A really cool domain parked on it. Park.io. Oh wait, why did I? Twitch.io. Twitch.io is a domain that exists, but all right. or like that isn't in use yet. Actually, we just stumbled across a pretty cool domain actually, but it's already bought by someone. Yeah, okay, hio.levis Umbra doesn't work. So I guess if you look up Levis Umbra on itch, yes. So if you go on itch and you look for Levis Umbra, it's the first game that pops up. That's really good. And then you can, or I can also just put the link in the chat for you guys. So I will just do that as well. But yeah, if you want to help us out, then go download our alpha from the itch, and yeah, basically once you played our alpha, it would be awesome if you could join our Discord server, or basically and give us feedback there. Or if you don't want to join the Discord server, instead we also have this form that we prepared, and it would be awesome if you guys would fill it out after playing the game, so that we can kind of see what we can still improve with the game, and yeah, things that we can do. All right. Yeah, so I think that's actually a good time to end the stream. I think that's a good point to end the stream on as well. So yeah, I'm going to just leave this up here, and thank you so much for joining the stream, guys. It was really fun today. It was really cool to work on all these like different projects at the same time sort of thing, because that's basically how my life goes at the moment. Is I don't have one project that I work on. I usually just, I don't know, I have like 3 projects that I'm working on at the same time right now. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining, guys. And yeah, if you want to see more of those streams in the future, subscribe to me on YouTube or follow me on Twitch. Again, as I said during the stream, I will probably move the streams over to Twitch at some point in the future, so exclusively do them on Twitch, because then I can keep my YouTube channel for use my YouTube channel for just video uploads, and that way those things won't clash with each other. Yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next week in another stream. Bye, guys.